Hello everyone! Can you imagine a world where we can fix broken genes? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, this is reality today and it's called gene therapy. So why is it important? Gene therapy is revolutionizing medicine by offering new treatments for diseases that were once thought untreatable such as cancer and genetic disorders. So today, I'll guide you through what gene therapy is, some real-world applications, and what the future holds for this fascinating field. So for better explanation, can you imagine this? You're a parent and your newborn is diagnosed with a rare genetic disorder. Doctors tell you that there's no cure and traditional treatments only ease symptoms but can't fix the actual problem. Then, they mention something new. Gene therapy. A single treatment could correct the faulty gene causing the disease. Suddenly, there's hope. So why is it important? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Gene therapy is transforming medicine by tackling diseases at their root cause, our DNA. So, what is gene therapy? Gene therapy involves replacing or altering genes within a person's cells to treat or prevent disease. Imagine your DNA is like a code that runs your body. If there's a bug in the code, gene therapy is like sending in a software update to fix it. Think of our DNA like a recipe book that tells our bodies how to function. But what if there's a typo? Instead of saying make healthy red blood cells, it says make misshapen ones, like in sickle cell disease. Gene therapy is like a spell checker. It corrects that mistake so the body can function properly. A great example is a disease called Leber congenital amaurosis, which causes blindness from birth. Scientists found that one specific faulty gene was the cause. With gene therapy, they were able to deliver a healthy version of that gene into the eye, restoring vision in children who had never seen before. Imagine a child seeing their parents' faces for the first time. How powerful is that? Real-world application, Kymriah. One of the first FDA-approved gene therapies is Kymriah, a treatment for leukemia. This therapy modifies a patient's own cell to fight cancer. Kymriah has already saved lives by transforming immune cells to target and kill cancer cells. It's one of the many examples of gene therapy's real-world impact. Now let's talk about cancer. Normally, our immune system fights off harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. But cancer tricks the body. It's like a thief wearing a disguise. Gene therapy, specifically CAR-T therapy, trains our immune cells to recognize and destroy cancer cells. And ethical considerations. In the future, gene therapy could treat a wide variety of diseases, including Alzheimer's and heart disease. Imagine eradicating inherited disorders before they even begin. But the ethical dilemma with a great power comes great responsibility. There are ethical concerns about things like designer babies and genetic modifications for non-medical purposes. Now, these are the exciting possibilities. Imagine a future where genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and even Alzheimer's can be prevented before they even start. We're on the brink of using gene therapy for common diseases, not just rare conditions. But here's where it gets controversial. If we can edit disease-causing genes, can we also enhance other traits? What about changing height, intelligence, or even athletic ability? This is where things get tricky. So in conclusion, gene therapy is transforming the medical landscape, offering solutions to problems that were once unsurmountable. However, it's crucial that we balance innovation with ethical considerations. As we continue to push the boundaries of science, We must ensure that gene therapy is used responsibly to benefit society as a whole. Gene therapy is revolutionizing medicine, offering hope where none existed before. It's treating diseases like leukemia and genetic blindness, and the possibilities are endless. But with this power comes responsibility. Should we only fix diseases, or should we allow gene therapy to shape the future of humanity? This is a conversation we need to have now before science gets ahead of ethics. So, that's all, and thank you for your attention. I hope this talk gave you a glimpse into the exciting world of gene therapy. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts.